Alright, hello. So, today I'll be covering a game that I've been working on with a friend over the past couple of weeks. It's called Birb Run, as you can see. You can see the main character running down the bottom of the screen here. This is going to be slightly different from my normal content here, as normally I just post demos of stuff that I've worked on without much commentary, or just a little bit of text edited in to explain stuff, or sometimes when I'm feeling motivated, I create videos that I guess I put a little bit more editing effort in. This is going to be more like a let's play to show off this game and I guess also promote it. It's not going to have that much editing, so I hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, here's the credits. That's my friend. He was very awesome to work with. He's a pretty cool guy. Yeah, we used Godot for this because I wanted to learn how to use it. I think I've used it before to create kind of horrible breakout clone game, but this game I think is better. Anyway, yeah. Again, I had a lot of fun working with Glade on this, so yeah. It was great. Anyway, I'm just going to play a few levels to show off the game. I'm not going to play through the entire game because I want to give you guys a reason to actually, play it. But yeah, I suppose I'll just start on level 1. So yeah. Are you looking for adventure? Check out your local magical portal to visit strange new lands. This sign was sponsored by Magic Portal Inc. So yeah, let's move on. So yeah, this is a checkpoint. You'll respawn here if you die, which will never happen, of course. Okay, so yeah, the idea for checkpoints actually kind of occurred kind of late in development, mainly because we realized that the levels were actually longer than anticipated, and it was kind of annoying to have to replay them. So my friend came up with the idea and then implemented them, and then I created some of the art for the checkpoints. And yeah, bottomless pit. If you fall in, you die. So, self-explanatory. Anyway, here's a portal. Welcome to your local magical portal. Go ahead and start your adventure. Note, Magic Portal Inc. is not responsible for any accidental disintegration or consumption by interdimensional monsters. Please don't sue us. I'm pretty sure nothing can possibly go wrong. Wow, I cannot speak. Anyway, welcome to Spiketopia, population 0, because apparently nobody likes accidentally getting stabbed in the foot by spikes. So I tried adding some somewhat comedic signs to this. My friend wrote the checkpoint sign, but yeah, I think I wrote these signs. Yeah, what kind of sicko just puts random spikes in a wall? I know, right? Yeah. Definitely wouldn't be me. Yeah, and anyway, yeah, that's just to demonstrate dying again. Let's get across the spike pit. You make it to Spiketopia's local portal. Hopefully the spikes didn't impale you too much. Anyway, let's go through to level 3, I believe. Anyway, Blorb hunting territory ahead. So yeah, when I tried coming up, oh yeah, that blue thing's a blorb. We called the main character of this game a Birb, and so therefore I said, hey, what if we tried creating some somewhat similarly named enemies? So, Blorb, starts with a B, ends in RB, I guess. I don't know. You can't really Goomba stomp these guys, you just die whenever you touch them. So they're just more like obstacles. They just have to, dang it, yeah, they just have to jump over. Alright, we should be. Why doesn't anyone fix a stupid bridge? Alright, hopefully we can make it across safely. That's nice. Anyway, I do encourage you guys to check out this game on itch.io. we spent a couple of weeks working on this, so it was a pretty short. It's kind of a short game. Okay, I died there. It's kind of a short game, but I personally think it's somewhat enjoyable. Yeah. I think there's like 20-ish levels. Mysterious ancient ruins ahead. Oh yeah, this is a launch power-up. Basically, if you jump on it, you get shot up in the sky. So yeah. Quite fun. Yeah, I don't really know what to say. I'm not really used to making Let's Play style content, though. If people like it, I might just opt for a style like this for showing off projects in the future, I suppose. Let me know what you think. Okay, so, abandoned town. Let's get there. Alright. This is where I sort of attempted to add a little bit of story-ish. I mean, I would hardly call this game, I would hardly consider this game to have any form of story, though I guess maybe some slight low-effort lore or whatever, like more comedic than actually thought-provoking. Anyway, here's another checkpoint, so yeah, anyway. The grass is mysteriously turning purple. I wonder why. Closed due to spread of corruption. Magic Portal Inc. Research Laboratory. Closed indefinitely. Very strange. Oh yeah, I thought it was kind of a fun idea to just put these launch things. Well, okay, if you jump on that thing, you fall in there. But if you walk into these, they shoot you up, so they're an obstacle to avoid. Oh crap, I just died there. Okay, well, I keep dying to that. So yeah, the idea is that you have to avoid jumping on those while also avoiding the blorbs, which is kind of difficult. I mean, I've played through this level a few times, so I'm not sure how difficult it is. Anyway. Experimental Portal 38, do not enter. Oh, Did you just moonwalk there? That's weird. Corrupted world, leave immediately. So yeah, that's like the source of the corruption. So, oh yeah, this is a second type of enemy, blearbs. Again, you can see I'm trying to keep the BRB naming style. They shoot bullets. They kind of look like Mike Wachowski from, what was that, Monsters Inc., but they're yellow. I didn't mean for them to look like that, but I like the way they look. Ooh, nearly got hit there, I guess. Oh, no. That wasn't great. Alright. I'll probably just play up to level 8, I suppose. Ah, crap. Alright, I'm not sure what to say to, you know, not have awkward silence, so you're just gonna get some random words. Alright. Okay. Come on, don't shoot me. Aw, crap. Okay, I keep dying at that section. I'll probably cut out portions that aren't too interesting. I'll just cut to the part where I get to the next checkpoint. Alright, so this is like the corrupted ancient ruins. Like the vines are blue and the bricks are purple. And this is like an attempt at a tutorial. This is the double jump power up, which my friend implemented. And okay, let's jump over here. Anyway. Yeah. Oh, crap. Alright. So yeah. We're now in the heart of the corrupted world, so hopefully the interdimensional monsters don't decide to eat us for a snack. Or something. I don't really know. Anyway, this is where I attempt to show off some of the double jumping. Ah, crap. Died right there. Yeah, if you notice here, the blorb doesn't cover the entire platform, but I was too lazy to fix that bug, so... Oh, crap. Alright, slow and steady here. I guess I'll just be patient or whatever. Next checkpoint. Done. Alright. This was a pretty cool section, so you just jump on the launch pads and then you jump across. Anyway, got up here. I'll just play through this section. So this level, the idea is that you have to... Ah, crap. Well, okay. The idea behind this level is that you have to use the jump... You have to catch a double jump power-up while you're in the middle of the air, and then you chain them together to cross really, well, chasms that you normally would be able to jump over. And then here you have to jump through the spikes once this guy moves out of the way. Anyway, crap. I just walked in front of that guy's way. That's just great. Okay, just died. Ah, not again. It's always fun to jump over the robots. Anyway, yeah, I really encourage you guys to check out this game yourself. There's a few more levels with a few more mechanics that I think are interesting. We wanted to finish this project in only like a couple of weeks because we want to learn how to use Godot collaboratively, and overall I'd say it went very well. It was, again, like I said, a very enjoyable process, and oh yeah, more attempt at lore. So this is like the corrupted world secret laboratory from Magic Portal Inc. or whatever. I don't really know. Let me just... Oh, crap. Oh, not again. I just got sent all the way back here. Alright, we're past the Birb down there, and, well, we can just get through the portal. Interworld Portal 55. Anyway. Welcome to Skyworld. Well, if you want to find out what this level looks like, you can play the game for free on itch.io. The game's also open source, so I'll also link the GitHub page. So, yeah. Anyway, have a nice day.